On our website, you can get PDF learning materials for free. Please visit englist.me.
Disappoint.
To fail to meet someone or their hopes or expectations, to make someone feel sad.
Examples:
Disappoint the audience. Don't disappoint me. She worked very hard not to disappoint her boss's expectations.
Turnout.
The number of people who are present at an event or vote at an election.
Examples:
The voter turnout. An enormous turnout of people. The gig attracted a large turnout.
Exert.
To put forth effort, to put into action, to bring into play.
Examples:
Exert control. Exert influence. He exerted himself to lift the heavy weight.
Bottleneck.
A narrow or busy section of road or a junction where the traffic often gets slower and stops, anything that slows down development or progress, especially in business or industry.
Examples:
Performance bottleneck. Bottleneck in production. Memory bandwidth is a significant bottleneck in this computational simulation.
Senate.
A legislative body, especially the upper house of a parliament.
Examples:
Senate hearing. Senate Finance Committee. The Senate Majority Leader announced plans to bring the bill to the floor for a vote.
Provocative.
Arousing anger, interest, or another strong reaction, especially deliberately.
Examples:
Provocative questions. A provocative smile. His provocative style frequently sparked controversies.
Weaver.
The craftsman whose job is weaving cloth.
Examples:
The textile weavers. Tapestry weavers. The weaver fringed the scarf.
Loom.
To appear or take shape as a large, especially in a frightening way.
Examples:
Loom over the global economy. Loom on the horizon. The issue of divorce loomed large in his mind.
Blueprint.
A photographic print of an early plan for a building or machine.
Examples:
Blueprint for economic reform. Architect's blueprint. A business plan is a blueprint for your success.
Offload.
To transfer the responsibility or burden of something or someone to another person or group. To unload or discharge goods or cargo from a vehicle or ship.
Examples:
Offload the van. Offload freight. They offloaded the cargo from the ship to the dock.
Nuanced.
Characterized by subtle differences in appearance, meaning, sound, etc.
Examples:
nuanced view. The common but nuanced opinion. The sommelier can distinguish nuanced variants in the flavor of the wine.
Libertarian.
A person who believes that people should be free to think and behave as they want and the government should only have a minimal level of control, and a person who advocates those beliefs.
Examples:
libertarian group, civil libertarian. Western liberal democracy serves as the foundation for the libertarian philosophy of the media.
Senator.
A member of a legislative body, especially a member of the U.S. Senate.
Examples:
junior senator, senator term. The hawkish senator gave a speech on the new bill in the Senate.
Terrifying.
Very frightening or intimidating.
Examples:
terrifying experience, terrifying events. Large earthquakes often generate terrifying tsunamis.
Deception.
The act of misleading or tricking someone, often by creating a false impression or concealing the truth, a fraudulent or dishonest action.
Examples:
deception tactics, deception in advertising. The politician was accused of deception for making false promises during his campaign.
Autopilot.
A system that automatically controls the operation of an aircraft or spacecraft.
Examples:
autopilot function, aircraft autopilot. The airplane was on autopilot during the long flight.
Beware.
To be cautious or careful about something or someone that may cause harm or danger.
Examples:
beware of scams, beware of strangers. Please beware of the slippery floor after it rains, or you could fall.
Pessimism.
A tendency to see the worst in things and anticipate adverse outcomes. A belief that the world is generally bad or that something will go wrong more often than it will go right.
Examples:
deep pessimism, sense of pessimism. The CEO's constant pessimism about the company's future affected employee morale.
Ludicrous.
So ridiculous, unreasonable, or out of place as to be amusing, absurd.
Examples:
ludicrous idea, ludicrous behavior. It's ludicrous to blame the teachers for the education system's failures.
Picket.
A pointed wooden or metal stake driven into the ground used as a support or for marking an area or boundary. A group of people, typically strikers or protesters, stationed or moving around in front of a workplace, government building, or other location, to demonstrate opposition or to pick up supporters.
Examples:
picket sign, cross the picket line. The farmer built a picket fence around his garden to keep the animals out.